There are all kinds of airborne biocontaminants in the air, but there's no need to worry. Samsung SPI will make the indoor air clean and safe. Unlike conventional filtering technologies, SPI is a super plasma ion technology that releases SPI ions directly into the air, boasting an outstanding sterilization function. SPIs are used in air purifiers, home air conditioners, as well as system air conditioners and automobiles. And the use of SPI is expanding. SPI's sterilization effects, active oxygen neutralization, and safety concern have 81 patents in various countries around the world, including European countries, the United States, Japan, and China, and the numbers are increasing. Furthermore, the outstanding deactivation effect of various airborne biological contaminants that cause illnesses, active oxygen neutralization effects, and safety on the human body, and the certification of many testing organizations around the world have proven the outstanding technology and sterilization effect of SPI once again. The new SPI technology cleans the air by releasing a large amount of active hydrogen and oxygen ions into the air, using the microplasma, which is discharged from the superplasma ionizer. The released SPI ions are converted into hydroproxy radicals, removing the influenza virus, which causes the flu, the coronavirus, which is similar to SARS, MRSA, a microorganism resistant to antibiotics, and bacteria. The active hydrogen atoms released by the SPI also neutralizes active oxygen and reduces the harmful effects of volatile organic compounds that cause sick house syndrome. Furthermore, the SPI is combined with active oxygen, which is toxically one of the most strong oxidants, and neutralized into unharmful water molecules. SPI offers revolutionary sterilization effects, and its use is expanding the boundaries of conventional home appliances and improving the air quality in automobiles, aircrafts, apartments, high-rise buildings, schools, libraries, hospitals, and a variety of other public spaces. It is also used as an air quality improvement solution in various appliances. Our children are easily exposed to infectious diseases in classrooms. That's why clean and healthy air is essential to growing children. The SPI ions are released into the classrooms from the system air conditioners and ventilation ERVs to remove various viruses, allergens, and harmful active oxygen, so that the students can study in a clean and healthy space at all times. The sterilization effect and safety of SPI has already been proven in classrooms through extensive testing. And there is even research in progress on how SPI improves the learning ability of students. Samsung SPI is creating a healthy and pleasant school environment for students. Residential spaces are filled with various invisible biopollutants. From sick house syndrome to viruses, bacteria, germs, fungi, and allergens that couldn't be taken care of with conventional ventilation equipment, SPI offers the healthy solution to indoor air quality in apartments. By installing Samsung superplasma ionizers in ventilation ERVs, which connect the indoors with the outdoors of an apartment, the polluted air in the air ducts and corridors are sterilized to guarantee the air in every home is clean and healthy. your environment-friendly, well-being, premium residential space. SPI will upgrade it with healthy air. The solution for a pleasant life with clean and healthy air. Anytime, anywhere. Samsung SPI.